how to unframe in Figma. So here's our frame, and we have some items inside of it, some rectangles which I've rounded up, and a text box. So in order to remove this frame, there are two ways we can go. The first one, if you want to just not see the frame but to keep the actual bounding box of the frame, we can select it and we can go to Fill here on the right hand side, and now you want to click on this minus button here. Let me just do that again, and as you can see, we only have the frame without the fill of it. But the other way to do this, we can just select the frame, and here on the left hand side we can just ungroup it. Just go to the layers and right click on the frame, and here we can click ungroup, and there it is. Now the frame is gone, and we can move these around without the frame. We can also select them and group them together by right clicking on them, and you press group selection or Ctrl G, and now you're just in a group without being framed. So that's how you unframe in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.